Okay, hello lollies. Welcome to my channel, The Full Stack Guy. I hope you all are doing good. Sorry guys for the late video as I was busy with my organization work. So in last video we had stopped on this error message, right? Find category by name. And today we will start from here itself that we are about to complete the product and category things in this video, or if this goes very long, in the next video. But this will come at like today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. There will be no gap comings in these videos. Like I'll try to post it within 1 or 2 days with 1 day gap or 2 day gap, but not a big gap. Okay, so here we were stuck on we were writing this, right? Category dow, find category by name. So what we were doing was I believe we were storing the product, and if I go into category resource or product resource, so we were trying to store the product, right? What do we have in that thing in category resource? We have this in product resource, and we have tied this category down on product entity mapper. And what do we have it in category down? So okay, so this category down is our JPA method, JPA interface. So let's create this method which we want, which is in, I believe we have called it here. So find category by category name, and I'll explain you guys why are we passing the category in product. That you'll come to know once we develop a complete microservice of this products and categories. Okay, so coming here in category DAO, let's write this find category by category name, and let's pass string category name. Okay, this will return nothing but category, right? This will return category, and now I think this should be happy. Okay, and this is okay. Let's make that return optional of category, so it is good to handle exceptions as well. Okay, so now this should be happy. I don't think this should have any problems. Where is my category entity mapper? Okay, now this is happy. We will handle exceptions in our further videos. Okay, so where are we? Let's go into product service. I think, yeah, product service. What we were doing, we were saving the product, and this save product will be called in our product resource. And here see now guys, this is the good coding principle. So what this save product wants, this save product is nothing but a product repository. In product repository we have tied our product down, and this product, why have we written one more? Like, see what we have done. I'll explain you in the diagram. See what we have done. We have we have product resource, right? This sorry for the spelling mistake. Product resource, this product resource is calling nothing but product service, right? We will improve our code as well. This is calling product service. Okay, this is calling what? This is calling nothing but product repository. And then this is calling product DAO. Now, why have we done this many things? Like we could have also created product DAO directly, right? Like we could have also created product DAO directly, but we are putting this in middle. This is because this is our implementation class. This is our JPA interface which is implementing. So over here we are going to cache. We are going to cache our data which is coming from product DAO, so that if we have same kind of data, we should not call our database. This will increase the performance of the applications. So Asha products or Asha client will be happy with us because we are saving the money, right? We are not making extensive operations to databases, because this is very important. This is very important when you develop enterprise applications, and this is how we do development of the applications. Okay. So here we will also create a product caching. Same we will go with category. So we will not make extensive operations for the categories. That is the thing. Okay. Now let's come over here again. I was talking about the Java17 principles, or more about Java 8 principles. So see, here we need what product, say a product needs product, right? And we have product request coming from the controller. Now previously what we used to do is, like, we used to take product request, we used to create a method, something like map or anything like that, and we used to do set product name. So like say for example, this is our product method. This will have two parameters, like one is like it will have product request parameter, product request, and then we used to create product class like this, and then product dot set product name, product request dot get product name, get product name. We used to do all these things, right? Get product name and all those things, and this used to return a product. This method used to return. So you would be having a big code of chunk in this service layer, which is not needed. This is not where you should map your object. So for that we created a product entity mapper, and product entity mapper implements a functional interface which is function. Okay, and this function has an apply method. So I simply have to do it dot apply and have to pass product request. Okay, and what this is doing, see, product entity mapper dot apply, what this is doing, this is taking a product request and this is giving us a product, right? But now why is this giving you error? Because here we want a product response. Here we want a product response. That is the reason it is giving you an error. So we also have to create a product response mapper. Okay, and only the things which are needed for the front end we should pass over there. If you pass a complete product entity, all the child entities of the product also would be getting passed, like each and everything. Okay, so I'll just copy the class to save time. Let me copy it. Entity, no, mapper. We need what we need. We need something called mapper, right? Copy mappers in mapper, product mapper. I'll paste it here. Product response mapper. Okay, and this product response mapper has these many things. It also needs a product response class and product information response mapper. So product information response mapper is nothing but, I'll show you guys. I'll copy the code and then I'll explain. Just okay, we also have this. Now we need objects. I mean, we need the models now. Where are the models? Where are the models? Somewhere we have. Let me copy models for you guys. Product response and this. Are these models okay? These are the entities. Okay, and okay, we already have it. Product information response mapper, we already have it. So shall we import it? Okay, this is good. This is good. Ratings. Okay. For ratings, we are going to call a different microservice, which is rating microservice, which will have all the ratings of all the products. So for that, we will call a service, but of course we need the rating mapper. Of course we need the entities. So okay, for now maybe let's not think for rating. Let's consider the rating is anyway a different microservice, so we will get that details from that microservice. And let's remove these things. Let's remove this thing as well. Let's remove Okay, now product, let's go to product response. We need product information, of course. We don't need this for now. And if product is favorite, for if we pass a user ID to the product, let's not focus on if the product is been favorite for any user or not. So let's import these things in product information. Okay, this is happy. At least this is happy. Let's put a comma here. Let's remove the rating things. Let's remove the rating things. Let's remove these things. Okay, let's not focus, we said, on favorite product or not for now. And okay, so I think we had off method somewhere. Okay, let's take it from, okay, this is happy. This, let's remove this for now, and let product response and what we can do is we should have this method, off method, and this is okay. Okay, now why are dot get dot get category is not having dot get category? Okay, do we have some different name? Let me have a look in category. Category name and subcategory name. Okay, so okay, we should have subcategory name over there. Then dot get subcategory name. Okay, this is happy. Let command share. This is happy, no problems in this. This is also happy now. And what we have to do is this is returning us a product, so we have to now take a product response mapper, and we have to take it as product response mapper dot apply, and whole lot of thing will come here, I believe. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, this is optional. This will return us an optional, I believe. So yeah, so optional. So if product dot is present, then return product response mapper dot apply of product dot uh, dot get. We can also do it this in better way, but let's improve this thing afterwards. And then here throw, if we don't have, then throw runtime exception for now. So we have thrown runtime exception for now. Now we were saving product. Okay, so okay, this is, we will do it better, as I said. So now I think we are done with, I believe, save product. Exception handling is remaining. Let's add a comment, remaining. Exception handling, to do, it is to do. Okay. Now now what we say, now what we do. So coming to product response, let's come to category resource, product resource. Okay, create product. Okay, so before product, we have to create a category, right? So we have to see whether category is added for that product or not. Okay, so this is one of the requirement given by our Asha client. Okay, so let's quickly create the things for category. Okay, so I have record this. I'll just copy the things quickly. So I don't have want to. I don't want to throw exception for now. We will do that afterwards. This is our custom class. Okay, response entity. I'm auto wiring two things. One is category service, and our response class which we have created. We have to create this category interface. So in this microservice, we will only have two things. So right, not a package. Let's create new class interface category service interface. Okay, so this category service will have many methods actually. Let's see, I'll copy code for you guys so that from our console, where is console babies? Okay, so okay, we have it consoles. So create categories, save category. So we got this. this will take a category request, of course, a category response. So let's create category response and category request in models. Request, let's create a category request. This will also be a record. Category request record. Okay, and okay, why is it lagging so much? Okay, category request we have. And let's create category record for category response. Okay. Okay, now what all fields will our category request response have is, let's see. Okay, it will have category response. Okay, why is this class? Let's keep it as record. Everything should be record. Immutable classes. Okay, this will have long id, string, category name, and string subcategory name, right? Subcategory name. Cool. I think, okay, this should not be here, and I believe don't okay, sorry. Okay, so and what all we get from category request? We just get string, category name, and string sub category name. Okay, these two things we are getting. So now we also category okay. Now see, now guys, we also need a mappers for this. So we have model, we have request response, and okay, we made it in domain, we made it like this. Mapper, in mapper we also need category mappers, right? So create new category entity mapper, should be one. So entity mapper, so this will take a category request, it will of course implements this will also be a record, and it will, what it will do, it will implement a function, right? Just like what we did. Function, this function, what this will do, this will take a category request and give us what, give us category entity class, right, which is domain. Now what I have to do, I have to implement a apply method, implement methods apply and what this will do, this will return you new category, dot. Okay, not, I don't think it should have new, because we anyway have. Okay, let me see category request. Wow, and what it will do. Let me see it. Where is it? Category. Okay. So this is our. Okay, so what we want to return is category. So I think we don't have builder on this, at the rate builder, and we okay, and now we also need all args and no args. So we forgot to take this thing, category image URL. So let's go and take category image URL, import. Oh, my battery is getting low. Okay, did we create this service? Okay, we created this service, and category service. Okay, let's import everything wherever possible. In mapper, in category request, what we want, we want category image URL as well, right? So string category image URL, full, right? Okay, now what we want is category request dot. Now I think we should get builder. Yeah, now we are getting builder, and dot category name, category request dot category name, dot category dot subcategory name, category request dot subcategory name, dot dot category image URL, category request dot and dot build. Okay, cool. So now we got the category entity mapper. We can easily call it. So so first what we have to check, whether this category with same name is already present or not, like subcategory with same name, because category can be food and food can have laddus, category can be what you say bags, and subcategory can be ladies bags. So bags is common, but ladies bags category, the subcategory should always be unique, right? So what I'm doing here is first I will check if category service dot find category by subcategory. Okay, and what I'll put in here is category request dot subcategory name. If this is dot is present, if this is present, then I'll throw an exception. So I'll just copy that code. Let's save time, guys. Category resource. Hang on, Papa Fam. Okay.
Someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change.
See, this should not be null. Like this is our if, so we don't want if statement. Bad coding practice. Okay, let's create do we have constants? Category IMPL constants. Okay, category IMPL constants. Let's copy some constants for us. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Cool, these are some constants which we will be required, and let's copy afterwards. Okay, so they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane. Okay, so let's create this method. If we have create method, this method will return us what? It will not return it will of course return us category response, because it is always good practice to not to return your entity object, because then whatever mapping you have over in your, it can also give the details. If and I'll take this out actually. And I will just introduce category response, and here also category response, and I'll do here if it is present category response dot get. Okay, cool, here until here, and let's go to this. Let's see. Okay, we don't have ABS. Let's create a package. Delete. Now let's create a package. What we say it as IMPL implementation package, and let's move this to here, and let's create a record implementation category service IAM PL, and this should be a record. Okay. This will have what? This will have category repository. So as I explained, why repository and why DAO are different. So here we just need category repository. This will be at the red service. Now let's create a category repository. Category repository. Let's create this. Category repository record. Let's create category DAO, category DAO. Okay, and where is our DAO? Okay, we already have DAO. Find by category name. So this should be find by sub category name, and sub category name. Okay, cool. Until now, if this will give us this thing, a category over here. Then we will we have auto-add this into this one, which will come into category repository. So let's create a method over here. Method, what we want is this thing, the same thing. Okay, so what we will do is where is it category repository. So this is the same method, but this will return a category itself, because we will not do service logic things here. What we will do, see, we will category DAO dot find by, and we'll just pass subcategory. Okay, okay. Now what do we get? Category, right? If it's present, see, now category dot, if it is present, if category dot is present, then return category dot get else. Let's throw runtime here for now. Throw runtime exception. Okay. Throw new runtime exception, and let's return this. Let's format it. Cannot perform refactoring. What is okay? Why? Okay, return directly category and not. We don't want get. Okay. Now let's call this method over here in okay, command import class, and the service MPL implements category service. Okay, and implement the methods, two methods which we have created for now. Okay. Now what we have to do is simple category. See, if we don't have any category, then we will throw the response over there. If we have it, let's map it. Okay, here, so we directly return. See how do we code so in a good manner. So dot we are mapping category response dot find by dot. Okay, why is this method not coming? Why is this not coming? Let's see. Let's copy this name and category response dot. Is it not public or something like that? Okay, this is not public. Okay, public. Now I think we should get there. Dot find. Okay, we passed subcategory. If we don't have it, it will of course throw error there. Dot map. We have created category response mapper. No, I believe category. Okay. Let's create new class. Category response mapper and this will also what will this do? This will implement a function, right? And this will take category entity and will give category response. Import this and implement this. Okay, cool enough. Yeah, now what do we do? Return category dot builder category response dot okay, category response, is it this would also need this would also need category image URL. And what is wrong? Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. Let's check in our product response mapper. Okay. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's new category response, and what we want category dot get id, category dot get name, category dot get image URL, category dot subcategory name, right? So we are good here. Let's come on to what is wrong in this. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Find by subcategory name. Find by subcategory name. Let's come on to service dot map. We have category category response mapper, category response, comma, and let's map dot apply. Okay, this should be happy. Okay, now let's come to category resource. Category resource. See, if we now see, if we have a category, uh, okay, this will return category response mapper. Okay, we will test these things, or else if it is present, it will, or else it will, what it will do, category service dot save, and it will give category request. Okay, this will return us category, and we will return. Okay, now if any exception occurs, we will throw it in, or we will handle it in service class itself. Okay, and what we will do, if everything is going right, we will just return like this. And this is yes. Okay, so this is create category. It's not done until now. So let's come inside this. What we should do is category repository dot. Okay, this will need one method, public save category, and this will return a category, right? And this will take, this will also take a category. So we will use category entity mapper, and we will send category over here. Okay, category. Okay, now let's do this in try catch, because if anything goes wrong, we will throw an exception. Try catch, let's handle the parent exception and throw new runtime for now. And what we'll do, we will do category DAO dot save category. It should not have any problem, and we should return this. Okay, let us also create get all. So copy paste category dot find all, and here there should be no need of any parameter. Find all, let's return the list. Find all categories and okay, find by ID. Find by ID, and it should take long ID. Okay. Delete by ID. This will, I believe, return a boolean. Okay, this is void. If it was good, then return true, or else throw runtime. Okay, we have majority methods in place now. We just have to add those in service. Okay. Let's implement these methods in this class. Let's take category entity mapper. And to return so what are we doing, guys? See, category repository dot save category will return us, it will return us category, and that we are converting to category response. Okay, and to convert category request to category object, category request to, so what we are doing is we are using this, and we are using category entity mapper, and let's pass category over here. Okay, everyone is happy now. We can also pass this like this. And over here like this. Okay, one line. One line. Okay, and I think I should not have this thing over here. Because okay, so I'll revise all the things, guys. So let's revise quickly, guys. So we did find, okay, let's put a semicolon over here. So until now what we did is like so in this Asha products, this is focused only for our products and categories. Okay, so we will be having two resources. One is category resource, one is product resource, and we are not done So this is a little long video, but still we have not completed many of the things. So uh, what we did, like we created two resources. Okay, one is create category, one is create product, and we are trying to create a product. So but in this, the thing to learn is if the product is already present, we will tell that yeah, this is the product already there. Okay, and we have to call here our product service dot save product, and I'll pass product request. So this will save a product here, and let's assign this. Let's introduce. Okay, now what here? Okay, inside here, the thing we can learn is like we have done with the minimum code, because we have used Java 17 records and functional interfaces. That what we are doing, we are converting product request to a product entity, and this is we are doing using product entity mapper. Now what is our product entity mapper? Product entity mapper is nothing but it is implementing function, and this function is taking product request and giving us the product entity object. Now in this we have two things, which is we are also setting the product information. So we will come to this once we run through the application, like once we start developing it and once we do the things. But yeah, okay, and yeah, I have just coded each and every line for you guys. So today we will stop here for this video, and we will continue from here itself. Like we will, from where we'll continue, we will continue from product resource. So we need save product, update product, delete product, and so on. We also need to handle this all things. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not keep this incomplete. Category resource, we have, yeah, we have save category. Okay, once we have present category present, then we are sending the category, and here we have to category added successfully with created. We have to send this category. Okay, so category is done. Okay, inside save category, nothing fancy. We are adding all this null till now, because we aren't completed this one, but we have completed this save category. So save category, what it is doing, here we are mapping the category entity to category response, and inside this what we are doing, we are mapping category request to category entity. So guys, see, try to learn these things. We are trying to do this in minimum codes with all the good features which were introduced after Java 8. Okay, this is Spring Boot 3, and we will come with more advanced features, or we will try to complete this with all these things, and also we will unit test it and all. So this is gonna be a very long journey, or maybe very long video, because when I showed, so if you see my previous video, I showed the architectural diagram what we are trying to do, and this is not just for doing or teaching purpose. This is we are also building, like I'm building this product for Asha client, which is a valid client. Okay, so this is nothing but enterprise application. Okay, in next video I'll also explain this file, docker compose file. Okay, and we will also set up things for this. Okay, we will be using, I think we will be using MySQL for this, but we are now, I've just copy pasted it from Divine. So Divine Dry Fruits client, but let me show you. If I see this Postgres, okay, this is also, we have Postgres database. Okay, not a problem. So I'll explain all these things also. Okay, let's complete the product resource for now. Where is the product resource? Where is the product resource? Okay, here also we are going to implement caching for good performance. Product okay, product resource. So we have a product saved here. Okay, once this product is saved, so what we will do, we will just do same as this. See now guys, you may have question that what if we get null over here, right? There is no reason to get null over here. Okay, because I'll explain why there is no reason. Dot. Okay, we haven't created that product added successfully. Let's create this constant. So product added successfully. Okay, now why there is no reason of coming null? Okay, let me show you guys. So product resource. So see here inside save product, what we are doing, we are returning the product. Okay, it will either return a product or it will throw an exception, custom exception for now. Okay, so once we do this with @controller advice, it will throw the response from there itself. So there is no reason of coming product null, because this of course will send a product. Okay, and if we see over here, if we get something wrong, we will also handle those things over here. Okay, so that's all for this video guys. This is, maybe you can take it as part 3. In part 4 and 5, like until part 5, I think we will complete our complete product and category microservice. Okay, just a programming part. Then after that unit testing and maybe Docker Kubernetes integration and those things we will come in the future videos, I think. So you guys tell me in the comments rather you have to do it with Docker Kubernetes at a time, like at a time is in part 5, 6, 7, and then we start with other microservice, or how to do it. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. Sorry because I was unwell and I was a little busy in my office or organization work. I didn't get time to put on videos more frequently, but I'll make sure that I'll come with at least 2 videos every week. So thank you guys, bye bye, take care.